What is up, everyone? My name is Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, I have links to all my other social media accounts linked down below. Go ahead and follow me on those accounts as well. So today's video is going to be a sneaker unboxing video. I ordered these sneakers from the GOAT app, and it did kind of take a little bit of time to get here, but they're finally here. They actually been here for about a week, but I'm finally able to open up the boxes for you guys and show you everything that I got. I got 2 pairs of sneakers, so nothing like too crazy, but I'm very excited for these sneakers. I'm also going to try them on for you guys as well. Yeah, so this is just going to be a quick video. I have box 1 and I have box 2. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start off with the smaller box first. Let me just put my iPad over there. Okay, and I have some scissors, and so you can't see me unboxing it, opening it, so let's just go like this. All right, a Nike box. This is my first ever unboxing video, so just bear with me here. And I'm kind of like in a weird mood recently, so if I'm just like, I mean, I'm always awkward, but if I'm more awkward than usual, forgive me. Okay, so these ones, yeah, are the Air Zoom Spiridon Cage 2 sneakers, and I was excited for these because I feel, oh, these look huge. Wait, hold on. So I'm usually like a 9.5. These look humongo. These are 9.5. Oh my God. Maybe hopefully they'll look smaller and better on feet, but yeah, these are the Cage Spiridon. What are these? So these are the Spiridon Cage 2, and these ones are in the light smoke gray metallic silver. And I don't have any sneaker like this at all. Like, this is so different, and I feel like it has like that early 2000s like dad sneaker vibe to it. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. I usually wouldn't go for a sneaker like this, but I'm like, you know what? I might as well give it a try. And this is what the bottom looks like, and it looks like a pretty comfortable sneaker. And yeah, so we'll see. It looks like it'd be nice and breathable. There's mesh. Oh, yeah, looks would be a nice breathable sneaker for the summertime. So I'm excited to try these on and style these for you guys. And inside of here, hold on. Inside of here we have like the GOAT verified card. If you guys never ordered sneakers from GOAT before, they usually like do this, and it's just like the right size, all that stuff. So, and then it just has the GOAT sticker, and then here is the other sneaker. Hold them up like this for you. Yeah, these are really cute, and I'm excited to style. These are just so different from what I'm used to. Like, I never, ever pick out shoes like this. But I'm excited, you know? I'm excited. So last but not least, just opening this box up. All right, so these are kind of an older sneaker. I feel like these came out like a year ago. We got a Jordan box, and all right, so if you know anything about me, you know what you guys don't. So I'm gonna tell you about myself, okay? So my all-time favorite, actually, I might have said this in my last sneaker haul video, but my all-time favorite, like Jordan silhouette is the Jordan 1. I'm obsessed with Jordan 1s. And I just recently started getting into sneakers like a year ago, so I'm like a newbie. And I have not tried the Jordan 11 yet. I own no Jordan. Oh, the box is damaged. I don't remember if it said the box was damaged or not. I know for these specific shoes, they got shipped to Goat, and then Goat messaged me and said that it was missing like a shoe tree, like like, you know, like those shoe trees that go inside the shoe. And if the seller, if I was still interested, was gonna offer me like a 5% discount. So I ended up getting like $9 back. But I don't remember if it said that the box was damaged, which is no big deal to me. So anyway, so back into like the shoe itself. So this is a woman's release. So this is the Jordan 11 Retro Olive Luxe sneaker. And this, I'm pretty sure it came out like a year ago. And my phone's like freaking out. Okay, so let's just open it and see. And what kind of sold me on these was I like looked up, so I came across these and they were pretty inexpensive and I really like loved the color. So then I looked them up on Google and this girl just had like this fire outfit with like neutral body shorts. If I could find the picture, I'll like post it up here. But I was just like sold, like, yes, honey, yes. And once again, these look humongo, but I mean, I do have big feet. So, oh yeah, so the shoe tree is missing. And this lace is like all weird. The lace, yeah, I feel like these are laced wrong because it's not sitting correctly. I'll figure that out. But these are the shoes. Super cute. These ones are the Olive Luxe Jordan 11. And I'm so excited for these. These are such a cute neutral sneaker. Let's see. In here, yep, so one has the shoe tree and the other one doesn't, and the shoe tree is like a shiny gold color, and these are so cute. Oh my goodness, these I really like these a lot. I'm so happy that I got these. And like I said, I got these for $5. They were already a good price. I'll put like the information of how much I spent on them, but since one was missing the shoe tree, the seller gave it to me for 5% off, so I got $9 back, which I could do with $9. So so I'm very excited for these. These are so cute, and you know what, if these are comfortable and I like the way these look on me, I'm excited to get more 11s because that just hit me because I don't have any 11s. I was just so obsessed with the Jordan 1 that I wasn't really looking for other ones. But yeah, these are so cute, and the detail on the, oh, I love these, honey. Oh honey, these are so cute. I love those. All right, and I'm gonna try those on for you guys as well. So yeah, so that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a little short, quick video. I'm on my way to a protest right now, so I gotta go, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.